Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get method from Reflect.get. So what it does is it's work like getting a property from an object, like target property as a function. So let me show you. Const object one, and what we're gonna do, create an object. Inside that, what we're gonna do, x1 comma y2. Now what we're gonna do is log it on a console, reflect dot get and object 1 comma a string of x. After that, var array1 equals 0 comma 1. Log in on a console, reflect dot get, and inside there what we're gonna put is array1 comma 1. So what it does, it will get property from the targeted object as a function. So 1, here it's 1, and we in this case it doesn't have any key and value pairs, but it have an index. So the index of 1 is 1. If you want to check like array 1, so you can see that the index 1 is 1. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.